Leaving the pale blue dot behind, the ultimate journey begins. Breaking free from Earth's gravity, our ship pushes its engines to the limit, setting a direct course for the darkest reaches of the outer solar system. Slingshotting past the rusted, silent deserts of Mars, we officially leave the safety of the inner planets behind. The sun grows smaller and the true void of space takes over. Navigating the treacherous expanse of the asteroid belt requires absolute precision. The ship weaves through millions of ancient, tumbling space rocks, the frozen, shattered remnants of a world that never formed. Finally, the undisputed king of our solar system swallows the horizon, Jupiter. A terrifyingly beautiful world of violent, swirling storms and extreme gravity, and we are heading right into its eye. Gravity becomes a physical weight, dragging us into the abyss at a terrifying velocity. There is no breaking now, Jupiter has us. We plunge into the ammonia deck. Visibility vanishes as toxic frost crystallizes instantly across the hull, blinding our sensors in a yellow haze. At minus 150 degrees, the ship groans. The extreme cold turns high-grade steel brittle as methane ice encrusts the fuselage. Then we hit the wall. 400-mile-per-hour jet streams scream against the plating, turning the atmosphere into a solid hammer. Caught in a planetary vortex, we are tossed like a leaf in a hurricane. We aren't flying anymore, we're just falling. As you plunge deeper, the environment violently shifts. You leave behind the freezing upper clouds at negative 150 degrees Celsius, dropping straight into a baking furnace where temperatures skyrocket past 100 degrees. But the heat isn't the real danger, it's the sheer weight of the atmosphere. In this crush layer, the pressure is so absolute, it is the equivalent of having 22 heavy cars stacked directly on top of your body. And you aren't the first to make this journey. Looming in the fiery, dense haze are the crumpled, sparking remains of NASA's Galileo probe. It met its end right here, completely crushed and swallowed by Jupiter's terrifying depths. We have passed the point of no return. 13,000 miles down, the crushing pressure has forced hydrogen into a state that shouldn't exist, a shimmering, white-hot liquid metal. The ship is now a ghost. The liquid metallic sea is so dense that we no longer sink. We are trapped, bobbing helplessly in a world of molten chrome. At this depth, the chemistry of the universe turns hostile. The very atoms of our hull are being pulled apart, dissolving into the electric fog of the Jovian interior. There is no explosion, no fire. Only the silent, spectral merge of man-made steel into the eternal metallic heart of a giant. This is the end. You wouldn't just land on Jupiter, you would simply become a part of it.